The F4E4 error code on your Maytag Bravos XL dryer indicates a long drying time issue. This means the dryer isn't sensing that your clothes are dry within the expected time frame. It's a warning, not a complete breakdown, suggesting the dryer is struggling to complete its cycle efficiently. Understanding this is the first step to diagnosing and fixing the problem. Several factors can trigger the F4E4 error code on your Maytag Bravos XL dryer. Understanding these causes helps with effective troubleshooting. The most common cause is a clogged vent system, which restricts airflow and prevents proper drying. This buildup of lint and debris forces the dryer to work harder, triggering the F4E4 error. A faulty moisture sensor can fail to detect when clothes are dry, causing the dryer to extend cycles beyond normal time and display the F4E4 error. The control board processes sensor data and may malfunction, misinterpreting signals from the moisture sensor or other components, leading to the F4E4 error. Problems with the thermostat or heating element can cause overheating or failure, extending drying time and triggering the F4E4 error. Identifying the root cause is crucial for effective troubleshooting and repair. Before trying more complex solutions, start with a simple reset. First, unplug your dryer from the electrical outlet and wait 5 to 10 minutes. This clears any temporary electronic glitches that might be causing the error. Next, press and hold the Start button for 3 to 5 seconds. This resets the dryer's control system and can fix the issue without needing further repairs. Sometimes, this simple reset is all it takes to resolve the F4E4 error and get your dryer working again. A clogged vent is the leading cause of the F4E4 error. Disconnect the vent from the dryer and the wall. Thoroughly clean out any lint buildup. Aim to clean your vents annually to maintain optimal dryer performance. A clear vent ensures proper airflow, allowing the dryer to sense dryness correctly and prevent fire hazards. The moisture sensor in your Maytag Bravos XL dryer detects how damp your clothes are. It signals the control board when clothes are dry enough to end the cycle. If this sensor fails, it can misinterpret the moisture level and trigger the F4E4 error, causing the dryer to run longer than needed. To test the moisture sensor, first unplug the dryer to ensure safety. Locate the sensor inside the drum. It's typically 2 metal strips near the lint screen. Use a multimeter set to ohms mode to measure resistance between the sensor contacts. A working moisture sensor should show resistance between 1 and 10 ohms. If the reading is significantly different, much higher indicating an open circuit or much lower indicating a short, the sensor is faulty and needs replacement. This simple test can confirm if the sensor is causing your F4E4 error. When the vent system and moisture sensor check out fine, but you're still seeing that F4E4 error, it's time to suspect the control board or heating element. These are the more advanced components of your dryer. The control board processes all the sensor signals and controls the cycle timing. The heating element provides the heat needed for drying. Key symptoms that point to these components include inconsistent heating, where the dryer warms up erratically, or a complete failure to start the drying cycle at all. Diagnosing and repairing these parts is more complex than basic vent cleaning or sensor replacement. It often requires specialized tools and electrical knowledge. In many cases, professional appliance repair service is recommended to avoid safety risks and ensure proper installation. For visual reference, here's an example of what internal damage might look like in severe cases. Remember, safety first. Always unplug the dryer before attempting any repairs to prevent electrical hazards. Estimated repair costs typically range from $100 to $200 for a control board replacement, and $50 to $150 for heating element repairs, depending on your location and the specific parts needed. Many F4E4 issues can be resolved with DIY fixes, especially vent cleaning and sensor replacement. However, control board or heating element problems often require professional intervention. DIY parts average around $40, while professional repairs can range from $100 to $300, depending on the issue. When working with your Maytag Bravos XL dryer, safety is paramount. Always unplug the dryer before attempting any repairs to prevent electrical shock hazards. Never bypass safety sensors, as this can cause fires overheating, or damage to the appliance. Regular vent cleaning is crucial not only for preventing F4E4 errors, but also for reducing fire risks from lint accumulation. If your dryer continues having issues, consider upgrading to a newer, more energy efficient model. Finally, always use manufacturer approved parts for repairs to maintain warranty validity and ensure long term safety.